Wow. They look cool. Hi. Also a little scary. Oh no. Good morning internet, it is 7:20 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back in Lilongwe, welcome back in Malawi. I have returned and I am reunited with Alaska. I'll just show her to you in a minute. And I am ready to go. I've already packed most of my stuff. Let me tell you a little bit about my plan from here on. So I am back to my full Africa map, which is a little bit battered here and there. I just drew in the loop around Madagascar, but now I am back here in Malawi. And from here on, I'm going towards the border with Tanzania. I did consider going into Mozambique, but there are two reasons why I'm a little bit hesitant going into Mozambique. And the first reason is that there is terrorist activity in one part of Mozambique, in the north. I believe it's right at the coast, so I could avoid that area. But now recently there's also been a really terrible cholera outbreak in Mozambique. And I'm not exactly sure where that is. But those two things combined, I figured maybe I'm just gonna give Mozambique a skip this time around. So that means I'm just heading north into Malawi towards the border with Tanzania. The rainy season is still going on in Malawi as well. The rains are just chasing me through Africa, hey? There's just no escaping them. And so I am expecting rain as well. Anyway, I'm just so excited to get back on Alaska. So let's go. There she is. Not bad. Bye! Bye! Oh, it feels so funny to be back on Alaska again. It's always weird changing motorcycles back again because now I feel like my clutch lever is way too loose. That's probably because the one on the KTM was really tight. Anyway, main thing, right on the right side of the road. So it's a mental note. Right, left, right, left. Woohoo! Back on Alaska. And yeah, this means kind of the final leg of the Africa journey has begun, hey? It really is the final leg. I only have a couple of countries to go. And then my Africa tour is finished because I can't make it all the way up to Egypt. That route is no longer open because of the war in South Sudan and because of the war in Ethiopia. So from Kenya I can't move any more north. So that means that my Africa tour ends in Kenya. And that's not so far away anymore. Can you believe it? So yeah, I don't know. Mentally I really feel like I have just started the last leg of the journey in Africa. I'm just gonna fill up because my main tank is full. I left my main tank full because I knew I was gonna park Alaska for a while, and that's just a bit better for your, I don't know, fuel pump and everything. But my rear tank is empty, so I'm just gonna fill my rear tank, and then I don't have to worry about fuel for the rest of the day. Oh, Alaska is so loaded compared to my setup on the KTM. Good morning. How are you? Only this tank, please.
Oh.
This one full, yeah.
Right.
Okay, that's sorted. So yeah, 315 k's for today, and that will take me probably more than halfway up Lake Malawi. Oh, right on the left side. Now I told myself with the first drops of rain, I'm immediately going to stop and put my rain jacket on before I am completely soaked and all my gear is wet for days. So I am gonna do just that. I'm gonna put my rain jacket on. I actually got a new rain jacket. Revit gave me their new version. So now it just works with a zipper on the front. It's a bit easier. Okay. Just keep going. Left here. Uh-oh. The hills I go. Oh, those are actually some serious mountains ahead of me. On my way to Lake Malawi. So if you cut a straight line across here, pretty much. See? Oh. See? Lake Malawi is just behind there somewhere. Wow. They look cool. Oh. Also a little scary. I don't know what that was. Maybe some sort of ceremony. I'm not sure. Thank you. Hi. I am cutting straight across the hills and mountains of Malawi. How cool is this? This is a little slow going. It's so misty. That was a lot of charcoal. Amazing! Ah. Hi! eating some corn. Now we're talking. This is a very nice dirt road. Oh. Just as it begun, it ends. I have made it, oh, left side of the road, to the paved road. That means that Lake Malawi, that I've been searching all this time, is somewhere to my right. But yeah, you can't see it yet. You can't see it. See, it's there. You see it on the navigation? I'll probably get a little bit closer with the road. I will see Lake Malawi today. I am determined. I mean, the paved road also didn't last very long. It immediately turned into dirt. And, oh, that's supposed to be the main road, but maybe they are just paving it. I don't know. You can really see the lake. It's massive, eh? It kind of looks like a sea from here. It's that big. And then you have the mountains on the left. So now I'm riding really parallel to Lake Malawi. And then on this side it's all mountains. It's cool, right? I'm just behind the rain cloud. Now the question is, how fast is this rain cloud moving? And am I catching up with it or not? I think I'll be fine. Right, I am almost here. Just following this track to the shore. And then hopefully I can stay the night there. It's a bit slippery. Made it. Hello. Hello. How are you?
How's Johnny?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? Oh,
Sorry.
Hey.
No.
Jackie.
Nice to meet you.
nice
I'm
to meet
Maggie.
you. What's your name?
Maggie.
Maggie.
Yeah.
Norali.
No, ready.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
Where did she go? Ah, here.
I'm checking for your padlock. I don't know where they put it.
Sorry, the padlock.
Yeah.
So this is my room. It's pretty nice, and then I have view here right on the lake. So yeah, the lady said that it's been raining like crazy for 1 week straight, every day rain, rain, rain. And that's why the level of the lake is so super high. And she just said there's also been some people actually drowned in the mountains, she said. I think there has to be like landslides or something. So yeah, it has been crazy weather down here. I think today I got super lucky because I just had a few drops of rain and that was it. And she said that it only started raining a few hours ago here. So today I got lucky. Anyway, I say I'm gonna put down my stuff and then see what is for lunch here. They have a little restaurant. Hey buddy. I already made one friend. Hey buddy. How's it going? How are you doing, sweetie? So yeah, Alaska's made it, hey. First day back, she did well. Let's see what's for lunch. Oh, so it is fish and chips for lunch. That is not bad at all. Not bad at all. I have a feeling the weather is going to turn really bad in a second. So I thought before I end this video, I just want to show you one kind of cool thing about Lake Malawi. Because, well, besides that it is massive and it is actually the third deepest lake in the world. The deepest part of the lake is 700 meters. So it's really, really deep. And it also has the most fish species in the world in one lake. It has up to 1,000 different species of fish. So yeah, fishing is obviously huge here. I had an amazing fish for lunch, but it actually feeds 1.6 million people are dependent on the fishery here in Lake Malawi. But of course there's also something really geologically very interesting about Lake Malawi, and that's because this lake is part of the Great Rift Valley. And you can actually see it on the map. Let me show you. So I'm actually right over here. So today I went from Lilongwe, this is all the off-road that I did, and then I rode along the coast until here. But if you have a close look, you see here is Lake Malawi, then here is a lake, here, and then all through here. And that's all part of the Great Rift Valley. So the African continent is very slowly being pulled apart and turned into two. So the Great Rift Valley is basically an extensive system of rift basins that follow a fault line of over 6,000 kilometers all the way here, and then it actually continues through the Red Sea until Jordan, which is somewhere over there. And so this is a geologically very active area, and that's, you can also see that by Mount Kilimanjaro, which is a volcano, and I think Mount Nibu, I think this is also a volcano. And you have a volcanic craters. So this entire area has tons of geological features, which are all part of that Rift Valley. Cool, right? Or at least I think it's very cool. And yeah, this is the first time for me as well that I kind of find myself on that Great Rift Valley route. So I think it's very exciting. Anyway, that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. I really enjoyed just being reunited with Alaska. And like I said before, to kind of commence on this final stretch of my Africa trip feels a bit crazy and exciting at the same time. I just really hope that the weather is gonna be okay, because I am worried a little bit about tons of rain also in Tanzania. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and then I will see you in the next video.